How to delete a Dropbox account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can go ahead and then delete your Dropbox account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have subscribed to a paid Dropbox account and you no longer want to pay to maintain it, you can cancel your subscription, but that is just about cancelling a membership and not really about deleting your account. If you want to delete your Dropbox account completely, you can do that as well, whether you are using a paid subscription or whether you're using a free Dropbox service. In order to delete a Dropbox account, open Dropbox in your browser and sign into your account. You have to go to dropbox.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link in the description box so you can go ahead and then click on that link manually in order to go to the URL. Once you log into your account, go ahead and then click on your account's avatar, which you see on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you click on your account avatar, you'll be able to see all of the drop down menu settings. Over here you have to select the option that says settings. So once you click on the settings option over here, as you could see, what you have to do is make sure that you are under the general tab using the navigation menu at the top of the page, and then just click on the option that says delete account from the bottom. Now you have to enter your password and choose a reason for deleting your Dropbox account, and before clicking, just click on the option that says permanently delete. And that's all it takes to delete your Dropbox account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.